Hello everyone, my name is Márcio Júnior and I'm a Brazilian teacher, and I'm introducing to you this Native American flute. It's a bamboo flute that really connects us with ourselves. It's like hearing the sounds within, our inner sounds. The way to play it, it's so much intuitive, so much simple. In an experience of every day, blowing your air through the flute, we can hear, we can feel the vibrations, the melodies, and I can assure to you that is really healing. It's a powerful, peaceful instrument that can heal ourselves, heal our hearts, connect with the earth, with the natural frequencies. We have so much ways to play it. Only blowing your air, saying trr, trr with your tongue, trr, and using your breath to create waves or a vibrato. We can use a sliding our fingers to make this passing to one note to another, because we have intermediate notes when we only take off our fingers a little bit. We can use the trino, putting and taking off our fingers, and use all these techniques at once in a certain melody in certain amount of time. You can choose your rhythm, this pattern, and make a sound. Ta-ra-ta, ta-ra-ta. You can also overblow. You can use much power in your blowing to sound like an octave. when we use more power in your air, the flute clicks. You can use this in your melodies too. And mix it all together. Okay? If you want to know more about my mentorships, my classes, you can drop a comment below and I will have so much pleasure to help you. If you want to learn more about Native American Flute, I have another videos in my YouTube channel. You can use the translate to hear my voice even in Portuguese, in your language, but here in this video I'm saying to you in English, so I can help you one-to-one in a call, in a meeting, to help you know more techniques or have more confidence to make a sound in the Native American flute. I can say more about the history, about our ancestors, and so much rich studies that we have in music, that we have in theory, that we have in the practice of the Native American flute. I hope I could help you. So see you next time. I will play a little bit more to end this video. Bye bye.